Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123, and today I have a 2010 Toyota Sienna, guys, one of my favorite minivans ever made, probably this body specifically. I don't know why. I like this body Siennas. Now, this car is a little special that it has another option for one of the passenger seat being moving out, and for a handicapped person or anybody who is not able to walk properly. But we're gonna go over this car quick first. We're gonna start with this quarter panel like we have already here. Quarter panel is good. You does have some minor scratches on the car, guys. Don't forget, we're in 2026. This is a 2010. Okay, the power door sliding doors are working. You got a nice interior, leather interior here. You got nice headliner. I'm guessing that's a monitor. I'm sure no one's gonna use it. You got the back seats already folded inside. We were doing the pictures. The back seats are in there. Okay, I'm gonna open this door. Now you can see that how all the stickers and everything here. You do have the stickers for certifications for the assurance program for the handicap installment of that seat. So everything is here modified. Everything is original, with registered with a certain places where you're supposed to actually to have it. Modifications, cargo carrying capacity reduced. What is that? RADCO verified. Listen, whatever it is, it's Mobility Equipment Dealer Association, right there. Certified. Okay, so it has a mobility chair that is moving. We're gonna show it to you in a second. I'm gonna start the car right now. It starts like a champ. You have the previous owner had to put this dashboard cover. Take a look very closely. You look at the pictures. I'm guessing probably the dashboard was maybe a little crack or something. We have no idea, but they already installed it. We're not gonna take it apart for any reason. You do have a sunroof, and sunroof works. Take a look. You do have a monitor navigation. It's 100,848 with miles, 100,848 with miles. AC is super nice. Okay, you do have a heated seats. Everything is here as properly as it should. You got two cup holders right there. All your windows work. Okay, and we're gonna go like these seats are beautiful. You can see how this car was well maintained. All the seats, all the interior is nice, and they work. I mean, usually the Toyotas don't have problem with power seats or anything like that. And we're gonna close this. You do have a Toyota headphones in there. Now we got a windshield. The windshield is no cracks in the windshield. You got no damages on the whole side of this driver's side. You do have a few dings on the hood right there. Few rock chips on the bumper. Now we're gonna go to open up this. Take a look. It's gorgeous. You got all the VIN numbers right here on the fenders. Both of the VIN numbers. You can see it's original. You got nice looking engine bay. You have no rust. And the battery is Toyota battery. Okay, works like a champ. Now we're gonna have few rock chips here. Few rock chips on the bumper here. You do have nice fender. Your Goodyear tires. Your tire size is 225/60/17. Your tire tread is good. Pretty much we have no damages here, and I do see scratches right here. Come closer, please. Come closer over here, and you do have like a dent right here. Okay, so in the back tire is 225/60/17. Okay, so this is what we got here with the car. Now I'm gonna do a friendly disclosure right now while I'm showing you this option right here. This vehicle sold as is. It's 2010. Now taxes, dealer fees, registration is not included in the sales price. Now shipping is $1.25, $1.50 per mile, and all your documents could be done remotely, and you can finish your payment through the wire transfer, so it will be easy for you. Now I understand. So the seat, actually, I think this door is not closed all the way. No. Oh, you gotta move it first, right? Okay, so let me just power this up. I think this door is not. Hold on. What do you do? You just did this. This door is not. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. This door is not opened. Okay. Okay, that's the other way around. Go ahead. Let me see if we need to put a park brake, because sometimes in the handicap cars, you have to use a park brake to operate. Okay, so this seat is coming out. Yeah, yeah, like this. But this is supposed to go all the way there. No, right? Oh, it's all the way already there. Okay. So the seat's supposed to come out and comes out over here, right? Okay, so we can't. I know, we're just doing it. Okay. I'm telling you, I think this door is not open all the way. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, you see? This door is not open all the way. Close it, put it back. Okay, we gotta close the door. Yep. Okay. It's not going, right? You gotta learn how it works.
You need to press it smooth.
You can press it down?
You need to be gentle.
Gentle with what?
With the button.
This is the longest walk around video we ever did. I'm telling you. Guys, keep in mind, we're still filming this video because we try to figure out how the seat works. Okay? I know it came out 10 times already because we played with it. Who created this seat? I'm just curious. Okay, regardless, guys, this is the seat, this is how it works. If it's not gonna work, we won't be able to do anything because this is not something that we installed it. We're gonna make sure that at least the seat is somehow working, like this. You see, we can't figure out because we're not used to selling any. Hey, listen, we don't sell handicap vans. We're not professionals. But I like the van just because it's a Sienna. I didn't even know when I got the car that it has this option. So regardless, even if you don't use this option for any kind of, which with the blessings you don't need to, tell you the truth. Hopefully nobody needs to use the seat. You can still normally sit on this vehicle, in this car, in the seat, just like any other seat. It looks good, okay? The only thing is I don't think you can remove it probably. Okay, let's stop it. Let's just close it. It's okay. It's taking too long for this video, man. It's too long. Okay, guys. Now, with the carpets, like carpets are clean. The vehicle has nothing wrong with the headliners. You can see the AC works. You have no rust on the car. I don't know. Did we go through the rust already? This seat took so long to operate. I already forgot what I was doing here. Tell you the truth, you know. Listen, guys, we're selling this van for being a Toyota Sienna. Has nothing to do with the seat. The seat is just an option, okay? You don't have to move it. You can disconnect it. Just keep the seat for your family, and you don't need anybody to be handicapped if you don't want to, or disabled or something, right? With the blessings, you don't need to be disabled. But if you need to have the seat, if you know how to work it, you can use it. Now, if any questions, feel free to call us. I think we went through everything, right? Did we open that door? Yeah, so guys, look at the car. Beautiful car, no rust, 2010 with 100,000 miles. Here in Fort Lauderdale, guys, give us a call, 954-914-7722. Listen, it's the longest walk around video I was doing by just standing here to watch this seats going back and forth. Hopefully we could slice this up, this video, and we don't waste time, anybody's time. Thank you so much for watching. With the blessings, God bless, and bye-bye.